Do you need a reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Cincinnati, Ohio? Look no further than Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati. Why choose Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati for your roll-off dumpster rental needs? First, we offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project size, from residential renovations to large-scale construction. Whether you need a 15-yard dumpster for a garage cleanout or a 40-yard dumpster for a major construction project, we've got you covered. Second, our rental process is easy and convenient. Third, we take pride in our timely delivery and pickup services. We understand that time is money in the construction industry, and we're committed to helping you stay on schedule. Fourth, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati offers competitive pricing to fit your budget. Finally, we are committed to environmentally responsible disposal practices. We recycle and dispose of waste in an eco-friendly manner, helping reduce our environmental impact. We're your partners in clean, efficient, and responsible waste management. So, if you need a roll-off dumpster rental in Cincinnati, Ohio, contact Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati at 513-586-8313 or visit our website at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com. Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, your trusted choice for roll-off dumpster rental in Cincinnati, Ohio.